think I said it on the start time post-match interview. I was asked. They were so calm, so supportive, so encouraging today. Today, to me, maybe I didn't hear it. There were no occasions that I heard them ranting at the players anytime they made a mistake. They were calm, they were supporting them. And that's the sort of support that we need. You know, Kotoko is a big club, and the pressure at Kotoko is always huge. So when players make petty errors and you rant at them, you hoot at them, it puts some pressure on them. And today I didn't see it. So my message to them is that we are grateful. We are grateful for the way they behaved, and they should continue behaving that way. They should always support us. The game is said that there are always lows and highs, good and the bad. When we are on the low moment, they should support us. When we are on the bad moment, tangent, they should support us. So I want to use this platform to thank all of them, from near and far, those who were here today, those on TV, and everywhere. I want to use this opportunity to say we are grateful to them, and they should continue supporting us. And when they do this, the narratives will change. All about communication, engaging him. He's one player. I have a lot of humor with him at training, a lot of fun, a lot of jokes. We do it a lot. And he personally told me today, one-on-one, he sat in front of me and assured me that I should just stay calm on the touchline and the job will be done. I think probably we've been able to discover his natural position as a pivot one, as a defensive midfielder. Because he's that player who is able to read in between the lines and is able to give those long balls behind the defense. So I think now we have been able to discover his real position, and it's up to him to keep his head up. The praises shouldn't let him drop his head, but he should keep it up and aim for higher levels in his chosen career. Congratulations to him. Yeah, I think defensively, Andrews did very well. He gave us a lot of cover and support in terms of when we didn't have the ball. He did very well. I think the only few moments that he was short of was moments where he had to join the attack so that the space between him and Zeze will be close, so that will look compact and expansive in offense. So to me, Andrews did very well. Zeze on the ball was also very good. Unfortunately, he had some few knocks, and that impeded his technical execution and tactical orientation on the field. So to me, these two players did their best in the game. Yeah, we just have to keep our focus, go back, reflect on what we did right and what made us to get the results. We need to make sure that the routines, the processes that we went through, technically and tactically, we have to reflect and look at what we did and then go back to them. Mentally too, I think, as I've said already, we don't have to drop our heads. We have to keep our heads up. If we are able to win this 3 games ahead of us, I think it will change our position on the league log. So that's what I'll say. The players will have to be focused, technical staff, the supporters, everybody would have to be focused. It's not, the league is not over. We have 3 more games and they need to support us to make sure that we earn a very respectable position on the league log.